Assalamu alaikum student बच्चों welcome back on my channel. Today again we have continuation of my previous topic, that was the yearly past paper, which we start in my previous video. Yearly past paper, May June 2024, paper 1 2. Okay. Paper 25, sorry, paper 25, May June. Okay, so we started that paper in my previous lecture or in my previous video, and we completed this paper series, May June 2025, paper 1 2, till question number 12. Okay, so now we are going to complete remaining part of this paper of question number, from question number 13 to onward. Okay, so now look at the question number 13 is here. In a scale, a shop reduces all prices by 20%. A goat cost $85 before the sale. Work out the sale price of the cost. Okay, coat, sorry. So a coat cost $85 before the sale. Work out the sale price of the coat. So you have to sale price before, sale price before discount of 20% is, for example, dollar 85 is 100%. Okay, and similarly x is, after 20% discount, is 80%. You need to find out. Now multiply cross. So 85 multiply by 80 equal to 100 multiply by x. So now you will have x equal to 85 multiplied by 80 divided by 100. So now cancel out this one, and this is 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10, and now 5 ones are 5. Similarly, 5 2s are 5 ones are 5, again 3, 5 7s are 35. So now you will have, the price is 17 multiplied by 4, it is $68. Okay, so now move towards the question number B. The sale price of a shirt is $40. Work out the cost of the shirt before the sale price. Okay, so after 20% discount, ultimately you will have the 20% discount in the sale price. So sale price after 20%, yani $40 is equal to what? Is equal to what? It is a 20% discount. It means कि it is 20% means कि it is 80%, and you need to find out the cost price before discount means 100%. So now multiply by this one. What? 40 multiplied by 100 equal to 80 into x. So now move here, 40 multiplied by 100 divided by 80, and similarly 0 cancel out, and 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40, so 5 tens are 50. Okay, $50, right? So we have completed question number 13. Now move towards the question number 14. Okay, sorry, question number 13 part, yeah, just a minute. Question number 13, look at this one, page number 12. 11, page number 12 is what? Just a minute, guys. Page number 12 is this one. Okay, this is question number 14. Yeah, sorry. Okay, look at this graph. uh, A is the point minus 4 5 and B is the point 6 4. Okay, these are the two projection vectors, because the question is given in the vector form BC minus 3 and minus 4. So it means कि OX is a projection vectors, and similarly OX OA is a projection vectors and OB is another projection vectors. And what you need to find the column vectors AB you need to find out. Okay, so it means BC is given here. Yeah, BC is given here. You need to find out AB. So how you can find out AB vector? That is equals to AB is what? AB. Okay, AB is another vectors. So it means K, it can be this kind of the vectors A and B. Okay, A and B, right? So this I just mark here with pencil. So this is AB. Okay, I will rub it finally. Oh, this is AB. So what AB, it means that there are two projection vectors. These are two projection vectors. So AB is what? AB is equal to OB, OB, OB minus OA. Okay, OB minus OA, right? Look at this, OB minus OA. So now try to solve it. Okay, and just put it the value of OB and OA. What are the values of OB? OB is here. OB is here. Yes, minus OB minus 4 and 5. Sorry, 6 OA. OA is here minus 4 and 5, and OB is here what? 6 and 1. Okay, just substitute these values here. OB 6 1 minus O is what? Minus 4 into 5, right? And take the difference. 6 minus minus plus 6 plus 4 10. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Okay, so AB is 10 minus 4. This is the projection vectors. Okay, AB. Now find the coordinate of C. C is another vectors which we don't know, and you have to find out the coordinate of C. Means the coordinate of C you need to find out OC. Coordinate of C means you need to find out, we need to find out OC. Okay, OC. OC. Coordinate of C vectors. Okay, now look at this. So what will be the OC? C will be another point in that space. So how you can find out the OC? OC will be what? So it means K OC you can divide in two components. So you need to find out the OC. OC will be O, sorry, yeah, just a minute. So BC is given, sorry, BC vector is equal to what? Because BC is given OC minus OA. B. Okay, because OC minus OB, BC is equal to OC minus OB. Just put it the values here. Yeah, BC is what? BC is given here, minus 3 minus 4, and similarly OC is what? OC we don't know, we need to find out OC. And similarly OB is what? OB we have what? 6 1. OB is 6 1. So find out OC vector. Move here, what? Minus 3 minus 4, and this will be plus 6 into 1. So now your answer is what? Minus 3 plus 6 is 3, and minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So now the answer is 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3. This is OC, or the coordinate of C, right? Now move another questions. Okay. Look at A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Okay. And AB is parallel to DC. Okay. There are two parallel sides, AB and DC. And AB equal to 2DC. Okay. AB equal to 2DC. Yeah. So now find the coordinate of D. So what does it means? Ke coordinate of D means ke you need to find out OD. Okay, because coordinate of D, it means ke it is another projection vectors in these four quadrants. Okay, so how you can find out? There are two parallel sides. Okay, just find out this one. So AB already given. AB is what? We have found the AB. AB equal to 2DC. Yeah. So 1 over 2 AB equal to DC. Yeah. So 1 over 2. 1 over 2 AB is 10 minus 4. We have already know, because we have already found in part 1. In part 1 we can get the value of AB. AB is 10 minus 4 in the part 1. So just solve it. So DC equal to 1 over 2. Yeah. What about this one? 10 minus 4. So it is 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So answer is 5 minus 2. So coordinate of D is 5 minus 2. You got my point? Clear? Do quickly, fast. Now, so coordinate of D we have already found. So move forward towards another part. So another part is that question number like DC. Yeah. The second part is find the length of line AD. Give your answer as a SORD in its simplest form. SORD in its simplest form. Okay. So you need to find out AD. So AD, yeah. So how you can find out the AD? Coordinate of DC we have already known. So AD is equal to what? Again, you have AD is another a projection vector. So how you can write the projection vectors? OD minus OA. Okay, OD minus OD.
What are the coordinates of D?
D you have already, coordinate of D OD we have already known. 5 minus 2. OD is the coordinate of D. Okay, so OD minus OA, coordinate of A, OA already we have, and similarly coordinate of OD 5 minus 2 and move forward. And what about this one? Minus 4 into 5. Okay, so solve this one. So your answer is 5 minus minus plus 9, and minus 5 is minus 7. Okay, so your coordinate of AD is what? Sorry, OD, just a minute. OD is, sorry, OD is minus 2. OD is minus 2 and this is minus 1. Okay, let me correct. So again it is 5. So now minus 2 and minus minus plus, so it is 2, positive 2. Okay, minus minus plus 4 minus 2, it is positive 2. And similarly, and this is minus 5, so minus 1 and minus 5, it is minus 6. Okay, 2 and minus 6. So now the coordinate are 2 and minus 6. Okay, sorry, and this is the coordinate of OD. Now you need to find out the what about the yani in the form of surd. So these are the coordinate of AD, yani it is the AD, so you have to convert into AD in the form of surd. So that is the formula is what? 2 square plus minus 6 square. So it is 2 square is 4 plus 6 is 36. So your answer is under root 40. So under root 40 equal to, you can convert into 2 into 10. So your answer is 2 into 10. Okay, so this is your answer. We have completed question number 14. Now move for question number 15. Question number 15 is, you have to simplify this equation quickly. So how you can solve this equation? Just move here. 175, 5 3s are 15 and 2 here, 5 2s are 5, 5s are 25. Okay, 5 3s are 15 and 2 here, 5 5s are 25. And similarly 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. And now for 28, 28 is what? 2 8, 7 4s are 28 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So we can write it this one, what? 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7, am I right? Okay, and similarly 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, just factor out and take the common. 5 square root 7 minus 2 square root 7. So finally you will have 3 square root 7. So your answer is 3 square root 7. Okay, so now move forward, the part B, rationalize the denominator. When you have to rationalize the denominator, so always we multiply by the conjugate. Okay, so what is the conjugate of this one? Square root of 5, 1 square root of 5, square root of 5. Okay, so now what about this one? It is equal to square root of 5 divided by 5. So your answer is square root of 5 upon 5. Okay, now move forward. Question number 16. Okay, Question number 16, it is the frequency graph. A group of 80 people each record their journey times from home to work. From home to work. One day, the cumulative frequency diagram shows the results. The cumulative frequency diagram shows the result. It is the cumulative frequency diagram, and this is the time of journey in minutes. Okay, yes, look at this question. Yeah, use the cumulative frequency diagrams to find out an estimate of the median. Okay, so use the cumulative frequency diagrams to find out the estimate of median. So first of all, what is the formula of the median? Median is equal to, just median is equal to 1 over 2 into frequency, total frequency, cumulative frequency. Okay, so what about your total frequency? Look at in this graph, total frequency, cumulative frequency is 80.
Yes.
सही है. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 80, so 2 40 is 80, your answer is 40. Clear? So acha, अब now you have to mention in your answer in minutes. Okay, so let me correct here. Select the 40 here. What is your cumulative frequency of median?
80
40.
by
Yeah, cumulative frequency is 40 after taking medium. So take it in the 40 and move towards the, you have to mention in the minutes.
what is median? How can we calculate median?
Median, you can calculate the median by dividing total frequency cumulative frequency divided by the 2. You can calculate the median, but you have to mention that median in minutes. सही है. So that's why how you will convert that cumulative frequency in the median. So move towards the x-axis. What about this one? Select 40. Okay guys, select 40 on the graph. Yes, 40 select kiya, right? And move towards the down, towards the x-axis.
32.
So it is 32. Am I right?
Yes.
So in minutes it is 32. Right?
Yes.
Acha, ab the interquartile range. Again, you have to mention in the minutes. Okay, so you will calculate interquartile range through the cumulative frequency and convert into the minutes with respect to the x-axis, right? So now, first of all, what is the quartile range? The interquartile range is the difference between upper quartile minus lower quartile. सही है. So interquartile IQ equal to upper quartile minus LQ lower quartile. Upper quartile UQ, U dash Q, and lower quartile L dot Q, right? So what about the upper quartile? Upper quartile you can find out that what 1 over 4 into F. Upper quartile 1 over 4 into F. What about this? 1 over 4 into F is what?
1 over 320.
1 over 4. Total frequency is 80. 80 divided by 4 is what? 80 divided by 4 is what? Yes.
It is 1 over
1 over 4 into, sorry, lower quartile is 1 over 4 into F, lower quartile. So what about the lower quartile is?
1 over 320.
No, yeah, total is 80. 80 divided by 4 is
80
20.
divided by 4, 80 is being multiplied by frequency.
Now 1 over 4 multiplied by F. सही है. So it means कि 80 divided by 4 it is what? It is 20. And what about the upper quartile? Upper quartile is 3 over 4 multiplied by F. So now multiply this 20 by 3. Okay, so it is 60.
Yes.
Right? So just take the difference. So now look at on the graph. Okay, so when 20, select lower quartile frequency. 20 is lower quartile in the cumulative frequency is 20. Yes. then move down, it is 25, right? And then upper quartile is 60, upper quartile is 60, then move down. Yeah, so it is 32, 33, 34, 35. So now it is 30. So interquartile range is what? 35 minus 25. Am I right? So what about 10 minutes? Okay, 10 minutes. Now, the number of peoples who had a journey time of 40 minutes or more. 40 minutes or more. Yeah. So how many number of peoples are the journey time 40 minutes and more? Select 40 minutes, select on x-axis and draw a vertical line 40 minutes and more. Yeah. So what about this one? It is 70 and this one is 72. Okay, 72. 72. And how many peoples? 80 minus 72. So 80 minus 72, 8 people. Okay, right?
Yes.
8 peoples. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Part B. Each of the 80 people also record their journey times for work to home. From work to home. Previously, we discussed the journey time from what? From home to work. Okay. Now the table shows the results. Median is 35 minutes and interquartile range is 15 minutes. J says the journey from the journey times from home to work are more consistent than the journey times from work to home. Okay, which one is more consistent, work to home or home to work? Okay, you have to check the interquartile range. Which interquartile range is lower, so that time is consistent. Okay, so look at this one. So home to work interquartile range was 10 minutes. Okay, and work to home the interquartile range is 15 minutes. So is J correct? Explain how how you will decide. Yani the journey times from home to work is correct. Okay, because it has lowest interquartile range. Yeah. Yes, first of all, yes, because IQ from home to work, am I right? Home to work is lower. That is what? 10 minutes. Am I right? Clear?
Yes.
Now the question number 17. The equation of line L is 5y plus 3x equal to 10. Rearrange 5y plus 3x equal to 10 to make y as these y the subject. Okay, so just look at here. Uh, Convert into 5y equal to 10 minus 3x. Am I right? So y equal to minus 3 over 5x plus 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Am I right?
Yes.
Y equal to minus 3 by 5x plus 10. So minus 3 by 5x plus 2. Yeah. Acha, line P is perpendicular to line L. Okay, line L is, for example, this is the line L, and this line is what? Y equal to minus 3 over 5x plus 2, and the line P is perpendicular. This is the P line, perpendicular, and passes through the point 6 7. 6 7. Okay, so first of all, the slope of M line L is what? Minus 3 over 5. As per the perpendicular line rule, the slope of line P will be reverse of this one, means k minus of 1 over minus 3 over 5. So it is cancel out, this will be 5 over 3, right? And the slope of a perpendicular line MP will be 5 over 3. Find the equation of line. So equation of line, you can find out y equal to mx plus c. So put it, the value is 7 equal to 5 over 3. X is what? 6 plus 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So now what about 5 twos are 10, and look at here, so C is minus 3. So what about the equation of line? So equation of P is here, y equal to 5 over 3 x minus C. Okay, this is your answer. Now next question. Question number 18. Question number 18, the diagram shows the speed time graph for a cyclist journey. Yeah. Describe the motion of cyclist between t equal to 40 and t equal to 100. T equal to 40 and t equal to 100. What about the speed of cyclist? The speed of cyclist is constant, and the cyclist is moving with v meter per second. Okay, the speed of cyclist is constant and move with v meter per second. Okay, move with v meter per second. Move with v meter per second. Yeah. Okay, अब the acceleration of the cyclist between t equal to 0 and t equal to 40 is this one. So show that v equal to 10. So what about the acceleration formula? A equal to delta v over delta t. Am I right?
Yes.
Delta v over delta t. Okay. So now what about this one? A is what? A is 0.25 meter per second square equal to delta v. Initial velocity is 0 and the final velocity is v. So v minus 0 upon the time, the change in time, 100 minus 40 is 60. Am I right? So 100 minus 40, the change in time. Okay, no, you have to find out the that velocity, that time period, yani that start time period acceleration is 0.4, because the acceleration of the cyclist between t equal to 0, t equal to 0 towards the t equal to 40, 0 to 40. So the time is 40 minus 0, so it is what you can write v over 40. So solve it. 40 multiplied by 0.25, so we can multiply this one. So 40 multiplied by 0.25. So now the V equal to 0.25. Okay, so it is 100 multiplied by 40. So what about this one? This one is 25, and similarly you can divide that, uh, 4 divide 0 divided by 0, and 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, and 5 ones are 5, 5 25, 5 fives are 25, and 5 twos are 10. So V is 10 meter per second. V is 10 meter per second. Okay, the total distance traveled by the cyclist between t equal to 0 and t equal to t is 1.4 kilometer. Okay, 1.4 kilometer. So you need to find out, first of all, kilometer you have to convert into the in kilometer you have to convert into the meter. Okay, so it means the distance is given, distance is 1.4 kilometer, that is equal to 1.4 into 1000 m. So it means it will be equal to 1400 m. That will be 1400 m. Now look at this one. So what you need to find out? So you need to find out the find the value of t, the total distance traveled by the cyclist. So distance traveled by the cyclist, it is area under the speed time graph, and that the graph, it is look like a trapezium. Okay, so now the distance d equal to what? Area under the speed time graph of what? Trapezium. Okay, of trapezium. So how, what is the area? Area is 1400. Yes, area is 1400, and just a minute, area is 1400. And look at this one, how you can solve it. So now just it, what about in case of the trapezium, the formula of trapezium is 1 over 2 multiply by what? The multiply by the distance, means you can write what? A plus B into H. Okay, so what about 1 over 2? So 1 over 2 into A is what? H is the distance between two parallel sides. The distance between the two parallel side is what? Is 10. Clear? So H is 10, and AB is the length of two parallel sides. So what about the length of two parallel side is, you have to find out the first length is A is, for example, what? The distance between this one, 100 minus 40, it is 60, and this time is taken by the t, so it is mentioned by the t, so B is t, so it is 60 plus t multiply by 10. Okay, so this is t, this length is time, total time is t, because we don't know that value. You need to find out the, because it takes time t0 to take time t, because total time t, yani it covers the total time from 0 to t, that time period you need to find out. It is the uh, length of B, and similar the length of A is 100 minus 40. So now you can solve it. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10 again. So what you need, 5 divided by this one, so 1400 divided by 5 equal to 60 plus t. Okay, 60 plus t. Now just cancel out this one. So 5 ones are 5. When we calculate this one, so it is 5 twos are 10 and so on to 20. So it is 220, and 220, then we can, t is 220, sorry, this is the 5 multiplied by 1400, not 1400, sorry, 5 multiplied by, just a minute, let me correct, this is 1400, 1400 multiplied by the 5. First of all, we divided by the 5, so it becomes what? 5 ones are 5 is what? So it is 5t into 300. Just solve it first of all. What? This is 1400 equal to, first of all, 300 plus 5t. So subtract this one, it will be simplified form. 5t equal to, it is 1100, then t equal to 1100 divided by 5. Now it's become 220. Okay, so your time is 220 minutes. Am I right? 220 minutes. Clear? So look at question number 19. Yeah. Question number 19 is, this is the, you need to simplify this fraction. So just do it quickly. It is very simple. So now we can factor out 3 from above fraction. It is x square minus 4. Now what about this one? You can factor out this one. 20, 14 twos are 28. Okay, make it the factor of 28. 28, 7, 4s are 28, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Okay, 4 plus 7 is 11. Okay, so now you can factor out this one. 2x square plus 7x plus 4x plus 14. Okay, so now on the top I can write a square minus b square, so x minus 2 into x plus 2 we can convert into, right? So now this one is, we can factor out x into 2x plus 7 and 2x plus 7. So now your 3 into x minus 2 into x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 into x, sorry, 2x plus 7. So now we can cancel out this one. So your simplified fraction is 3 into x minus 2 divided by 2x plus 7. Clear? So now move forward. Question number 20. Work out this one. Okay, so in this fraction, what about the repeated values? Okay, so look at here. The repeated value is two decimal places, because you have two dot on, yani you have 2 points or dot on two values 1 and 7, yani after decimal places, after points you will have the dot on two values, so it means that this value is repeated by two decimal places. Okay, at least two decimal places. So I can first of all solve for 0 point dot and dot. Okay, so x equal to what? 0.17. So you need to move the point after two decimal places. So when you need to move the point after two decimal places, so we have to multiply both side, multiply both side by 100. Okay, to move the point after two decimal places. So it will be 100x equal to what? 17.1717. Okay, so now subtract it. It is 99x, and this will be 17. Okay, now the value of x will be 17 divided by 99, and you need to add this value. So what the answer is? 17 divided by 99 plus, okay, 5 over 9, so multiply by 11 both sides. So now 17 over 99 plus 55 over 99. Yeah, so LCM is 99. So 17 plus 55. So 17 plus 55, 17 plus 55 is what? 5, 12 to 1. And what about 5 or 2, 7? So it is 72. Am I right? This is 72. Now cancel out this one. So this will be cancel out. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and what about 3 2s are 6, and 1 here, 3 4s are 12. Again 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, or 3 8s are 24. So answer is 8 over 11. Okay, now move forward. Question number 21. Okay, the question number 21 is again related to the vector, but it is not related to the projection vectors. Okay, just recall it. In case of the projection vectors, we have a origin, but here we do not have any origin. First of all, in case of the projection vector, just I recall projection vector. Okay, we have origin, this kind of origin, but here we don't have the origin. So this is the question related to the vector but not related to the projection vector. First of all, clear? So just move forward. Just for understanding, I explain you. Okay, so look at this diagram. The diagram OA equal to A, OA equal to A, OB equal to OB equal to B. Okay, these two lines are parallel to each other, and when these two lines are parallel to each other, it means that the triangle OXB and AXC are the similar triangle. First of all, X is the midpoint on AB. X is the midpoint on AB, and AX ratio XB equal to 3 ratio 2. Okay, so it means okay, what about this one? It is what? This is 3 and this is 2, and sum of ratio is 5. Okay, so it means this sum of ratio is 5, so it will be what? 3 over 5, and this will be 2 over 5. Again same kind of thing here, that will be what? 3 over 5, and it will be 2 over 5. Am I right? Okay, OXC is a straight line. OXC is a straight line. And AC is parallel to OB. AC is parallel to OB. Yeah. And this is the straight line. That's why these two lines are parallel to each other. Find the AX. AX you have to find out. Okay. Look at this one. You need to find out the AX. Okay. How you will find out the AX? First of all, we know that AB is okay. So AB is what? AB. This is AB. AB is what? AB is equal to AO plus OB. AO, AO plus OB. Okay, AB, right? AB equal to AO plus OB. AO plus OB. Okay, right? So now AO is what? AO is moving in opposite direction. AO, because you are moving in OA direction, so AO will be minus A. And similarly, OB will be plus B. So what about this one? It is B minus A. So look at here, AB. AB, total length of AB is this one, B minus A, so that will be 3 over 5 B minus A. It will be 2 over 5 B minus A. Am I right? So now, so A, B is this one. So find AX. You have to find out, you have already knows the AB. So AX is what? AX, this is the AX I have marked 3 over 5 B minus A. So AX is 3 over 5 B minus A. Okay, 3 over 5 B minus A, because this is the total length, and this is the fraction of this length, and again it is the another fraction of this length, because 3 over 5 equal 3 over 5 into B minus A, again 2 over 5 into B minus A, because the total length is B minus A. Okay, now find out the XC. XC is what? Give your answer in the simplest form in term of A and B. In term of A and B. Okay, XC is can be divide. XC is what? XC is what? XC is XA plus AC. XA plus AC. So XA plus AC. XA, we are moving in the X, yeah, sorry, XC or XA, just a minute. XC. XC is in the opposite direction. Yes, XC plus XA. So XC, you know that this is AX, because that was the distance between AB. So that was the AX plus XB. Now you are moving towards the XA. So that will be minus what? AX. So that will be minus 3 over 5 B minus A plus AC we don't have. AC is what? AC is, let's say, AC. So it means that you need to find out this length AC. Okay. So how you will find out this AC? First of all, the triangle OXB OXB equal to, are the similar triangle XAC, triangle XOB, triangle XOB, XAC, XAC are similar to each other. That's why the ratio of triangle AC over OB equal to AX over XB. Yeah. So what about the AC? You need to find out for this value. Okay, OB, we have OB. OB is what? OB is B, And similarly ax we know that ax is 3 over 5b minus a. And what about the xb? xb is xb 2 over 5b minus a. Just put it the values here. So now this value ac is equal to, I am just writing directly the values. ob is b multiply by ax is 3 by 5 b minus a, and multiply by what? I'm just going to multiply what? Yes, this value is what? xb. Okay, and not yeah. So ob I just multiply, ax I just put it here, and xb not the multiply, it is divided. Xb is what? 2 over 5 b, 2 over 5 b minus a. So this value is cancel out and 5 is cancel out, so it is 3 over 2b. So now 3 over 2b, put it here. So xc is minus 3 over 5 b minus a plus what? 3 over 2b. Okay, so 3 over 2b. So now okay, 3 over 2b, so we can put it here. So your answer is what? So we can multiply and solve it for simplified form. So multiply this fraction here. How you will multiply this fraction is minus xc equal to minus 3 over 5b plus 3 over 5a plus 3 over 2b, right? So compare these two fractions, take it LCM. So your LCM will be, finally it will be 3 9, yeah, 10 minus 6b plus 15b plus 3 over 5a. So finally your answer is simplified form in 9b over 10 plus 3 over 5a. That is simplified form. Okay, further it cannot solve. Now look at question number 22. Question number 22 is just, this is kind of the parabola equations in the form of, and I write this parabola equation or the quadratic equations in the form of this one. Acha, we know that when the coefficient of square is positive or the greater than 1, yani a, in case of the parabola, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, a greater than 1, parabola open up, parabola open up. Okay, you know. Acha, now move this one, you have to write in this form. So just make it just convert into the perfect square, because it is kind of the perfect square, x plus a ka whole square. Now divide by middle fraction by 2, so you will have 2. So add and subtract the square of remaining, सही है, square of 2. So now x square plus 4x minus 12 plus 2 whole square minus 2 whole square. Okay, so now convert into this 2 whole square. So x square plus 4x plus 2 whole square, and this is minus 12 and minus 4, it becomes 16. So it is x plus 2 whole square minus 16. Okay, so this is x plus 2 whole square minus 16. Yeah, and use to part 1 part A to find the coordinate of the turning point. Coordinate of the turning points are the vertex of parabola, remember. Okay, remember, the coordinate of turning points are the vertex of parabola. The vertex of parabola formula is, okay, so y equal to x square plus 4x minus 2. So vertex
Minus 12.
minus 12. Vertex is what? The formula of vertex of parabola is a into x minus h square plus k. H included, the minus included in this sign. Okay, so now compare the above equation. The above equation was that what? So you will have this equation x plus 2 whole square minus 16. So now compare this minus sign with this 2. So minus h equal to 2. So it can be h equal to minus 2, right? And similarly k equal to minus 16. So vertex of parabola are minus 2 and minus 16, right? Clear? H minus sign of h you will compare. So minus h equal to 2, and then rearrange these fractions. So h become positive and 2 become negative, right? So now sketch the graph of this parabola. First of all, parabola open up because the coefficient of x square is 1. That is 1. If the coefficient of x square greater than equal to 1, greater than and equal to 1, so parabola always open up, right? Clear? So parabola always open up. So for to plot or sketch the parabola, just find out the y and x intercept first of all. Clear? And vertex point, right? So vertex point is the turning point of the parabola, right? And you need to find out the y and x intercept, then join these points with the vertex point, so you can plot the parabola between these four quadrant space, right? Just a minute. Yeah, so what about this equation? Find y intercept. Yeah, so y intercept के लिए put y equal to 0. So what about x plus 2 whole square minus 16? Am I right? X plus 2 whole square minus 16. Y equal to x plus 2 whole square minus 16. So what about the y intercept? Just y intercept is
Minus 12 comma 0. 0 comma minus 12.
no 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 no
For
no.
y-intercept, we would
Y
put x equal
intercept
0.
put x equal to 0. Sorry, for x intercept. First of all, find out the x intercept. Put y equal to 0. Y equal to x is plus 2 whole square minus 16. Okay, in that vertex form, right? Use that vertex form. So now, what about this one? X plus 2 whole square equal to 16. So x plus 2 equal to plus minus 4. So x equal to what? What? Yes, 2 comma minus 6. Am I right? 2 comma minus 6.
Yes.
Find out y intercept. Yes. So y intercept put x equal to 0. So what about the y intercept? Y intercept is minus 16. Okay. Y intercept is minus 16. Am I right? Clear? Use the vertex form. Clear? X plus 2
But we
whole is
can also place directly in equation in
no,
original
just
equation of parabola.
no, we have convert into the vertex form because so that's why I am going to use the vertex form to find out the x and y intercept here. Clear? So now y equal to minus 16. So now you have to plot this graph. First of all, just I mark here. So for example, let's minus 6 here, and what about the 2? 1 and 2, 2 is here. Okay, minus 6 here and 2, minus 6 and 2. Yes. And what about the y-intercept? I am going to write, for example, the y-intercept is look like this one, minus 12. Okay, and the vertex point is what? The vertex point is what? Minus 2 and minus 16. So move downward for more. For example, minus 16, and this is, for example, minus 2. Okay, so like look at this one. So this is the minus 16 and minus 2. So your parabola will be like this one. Okay, this is vertex, vertex, minus 6, minus 16, y-intercept equal to minus 12. These are two x-intercept. Okay, so this is the shape of parabola. Now move forward. Question number 22, 23. I think this is the last question of this paper. Yeah. Okay, look at this question. Yeah. And in this questions, OAB is minor sector of circle. OAB, this is minor sector of circle. Center O, OCA and ODB are straight line. OCA and ODB are two straight line. Okay, and OC is 6 centimeter and O is 9 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter, and this is total length is 9 centimeter. What about this one? Ultimately this is 3 cm. Okay, right? You are doing this question. Okay, and this is 3 centimeter, right? And the length of the minor arc AB is 5 pi centimeter. This is 5 pi minor arc. Okay, work out the area of the major sector. Area of major sector you need to find out. OCD. Give your answer in term of the pi. Area of major sector. Okay, so first of all you need to find out this angle theta is what. So arc length equal to r theta. Arc length is equal to r theta for circle. So this is equals to what? 5 pi, and radius r is 9 centimeter. That about the theta. So theta is 5 pi over 9, right? So you cannot solve this more. So 5 pi over 9, yeah, it is theta. And the workout the area, what about this one? You need to find out this total angle. What about this total angle?
But
Total
my
angle,
theta is 5 pi over 6
5 pi over 6. Why? Because
because radius is 6 centimeter, not 9 centimeter.
no. Radius of radius of major circle is 6 centimeter. Radius of minor circle is 9 centimeter. You got my point? Major circle radius is 6 centimeter. Clear? 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 So please correct it. Do yourself. Yeah, theta is 5 pi over 9. Yeah. So now look at this one. So we can find out the angle O AO COD. Angle COD is what? 2 pi minus 5 pi over 9. So 18 pi minus 5 pi over 9. So it is what? It is 13 pi over 9. Yes, this is 13 pi over 9. So now just work out the length. So area of sector of circle is, work out the major sector of area OCD. Area of sector of major circle equal to 1 over 2 r square theta. So now the radius is 6 centimeter and theta is, we can find out, 13 pi over 9. So now 36, so it is 18 multiplied by 13 pi over 9. 9 to the 18, so it is 26 pi. Okay, this is your answer. So thank you so much the guys, that is from my side, and I have completed the remaining part of the yearly past paper May June 2025. So now in the coming video inshallah we will move towards the upcoming, the next year, yani previous year yearly past paper of another papers. So thank you so much, please subscribe my channels. Allah Hafiz.